Hi and welcome. My name is Abdi Fatah and today I'll be showing you how to make ambulo. Ambulo is a famous traditional Somali dish which is beans and corn. We normally serve this dish with a drizzle of sugar, sesame oil and fried coffee beans. The key ingredients are Adzuki beans, coffee beans, white corn, sugar and sesame oil. To make ambulo, you first have to soak your beans and your corn overnight. This makes it soft and it also speeds up the process of cooking. To start with, I'm going to add white corn into the pot. Cover it and let it boil for 3 minutes and then add 1 cup of beans, a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of nutmeg. Cover it and let it cook for 1 hour. In the meantime, I'll start frying my coffee beans and later on serve it with the ambulo. Add sesame oil in the pan, let it become hot and then fry my coffee beans for 3 minutes. When adding the sesame oil, make sure that it covers the whole pan. Now I'm going to fry my coffee beans. My ambulo and coffee beans are ready. I'm going to add a drizzle of sugar and then add sesame oil. There you have it, our ambulo. It came out awesome. The coffee beans are crunchy and tangy. The ambulo is sweet because of the sugar and nutmeg. And this is just the way I like it.